All right, immigration aside, though, isn't it Congress's job to rewrite laws and not President Obama's? I understand the point of executive orders. That's to move around the power in his executive agency. But rewriting laws, that's Congress.
It is Congress's law, but when we have Congress fighting and battling every single day and when nothing can get done, then the president wants to step in. And that's what he's done here, and that's when the executive order came out. They were trying over and over to make law and law that would work, and when they couldn't do that, the president wanted to step in and make an executive order. So yes, it is Congress's job to make law, but what the president was trying to do here was make the law that couldn't be made.
Right, but executive orders, I mean, exactly what you just said, that's a fallacy right there. It's not the president's role to make laws when Congress can't pass them. His role is to execute on the laws that have already been made. So if Congress doesn't want it, that's representative of the people, and the people don't want it. Doesn't that go against the balance of powers in our government?
It may go against the balance of powers in our government, but what President Obama is trying to do is he's trying to do something and he's trying to get it done. If it can't get done, if there's an issue in our country that can't be solved, sometimes the president feels like they need to step in, and that's what they did here. It may go against the principles of Congress. It may go against that, but if there's a job that needs to be done, if something needs to be fixed, that's what he wanted to do, and that's what he has done here.
So let me get this straight. You think it's okay for a president to potentially violate the Constitution in order to enact his agenda just because you agree that it's a good thing, that his agenda is a good thing?
Well, you're saying potentially violate the Constitution. The Supreme Court hasn't ruled on it. The Supreme Court's going to rule that this is lawful, what he did. So at this point, when the Supreme Court rules that it is lawful, what he did, I would agree with the Supreme Court. That's what I think the ruling is going to be. And at that point, I would agree with the Supreme Court on that.
All right.